Hey there, in this particular session, we are going to look at how we can use the AI assistant to convert our automation scripts into a different language. Now, we have been writing all the automation scripts in our project in the Java language. But as you know, Selenium supports multiple languages, not only Java. So it has support for JavaScript, C#.NET, and then it has support for Python. So Python and JavaScript are one of the more popular languages when it comes to creating automation frameworks. So you can do this conversion right from your IDE using the AI. You don't need to write the same scripts in a different language on your own. So let's see how we can do this. So coming back to our project, right? So I'm not going to use these classes which we have already created. So I'm going to create a new class and then we'll use the AI to write some script for us. So let's name this source demo and then we'll say test. Okay, and I am just going to provide only the page URL in this particular class, nothing else, right? And then I'm going to ask the AI to generate the code. So here I'm going to say generate code using Selenium WebDriver to log in into page underscore URL using test ng annotations. Okay, so this is my AI prompt, and I want the AI to generate this code for me. So we'll wait till the AI generates some code for us. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated the code for us, right? And it is trying to log in into the website. Obviously, there are few things which can be removed. This is an outdated method from WebDriver Manager, which we no longer require, obviously. So this particular test is written in Java completely. Now, say for example, we have a requirement to write our tests in JavaScript or Python, right? So how will you do that? So I'm going to just select the text in this particular class, and then I'm going to go to AI actions, and there I have an option to convert file to another language. Now, when I click that, you will see a list of all the languages which you can use, even including languages like TypeScript, Ruby, right? So no matter which language you want to use, most of the languages are present here. So let's try with JavaScript. It might take some time to generate this particular file, but as you can see, it has now generated a JavaScript file. Okay, so this same test which we wrote in Java is now been written in JavaScript and generated for us by the AI. Now, if you want, you can copy this text which has been generated and then paste it into your JavaScript project if you don't want to have it in this same project, right? Now, similarly, you can also convert it into other languages. I will just show another example of doing this. So again, we'll go to the same option. This time around, we'll try to generate it in Python, which is one of the other popular languages apart from Java. So as you can see now, there is a .py file generated for source demo test, right? Obviously, it is telling us that there is no Python interpreter. I haven't set it up, okay? And there might be some errors for this because we don't have any Python interpreter, but we have got the script in Python, okay? So we can create a Python project with the right interpreter, and then we can copy and paste this particular Python test into that particular file, right? So with the help of AI, if I have got a particular project in a particular language, like Java, and I want to uh, do something in a different language, or I want to convert or migrate from one particular language to another language, then it's pretty easy. We just need to use the AI to convert the file into a different language, and it will do it. Obviously, we cannot directly execute this test. You will require some knowledge of JavaScript or Python in order to validate this particular script which has been generated by AI. It cannot be 100% foolproof. There might be small issues which we may have to rectify, or we have to ask the AI to correct it. And then we need to have a proper project where we can add these files, right? So I cannot have JavaScript and Python files in a Java project. It will not run. But the AI is helping us to reduce a lot of our work in terms of writing these scripts from scratch.